Hi everyone, it's Captain Starlight here, and today I'm so excited because I'm going to teach you how to make the very hungry caterpillar. First of all, we need a few things. We're going to need the caterpillar itself. So this caterpillar I've got here has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 body parts and 1 face. Now, I've got this one ready, but you could probably get your parents to help you make your own caterpillar at home. Just cut out some pieces after you've drawn them. What we're also going to need is some split pins, which look like this, and some things to decorate or feed our very hungry caterpillar with. So I've got some sparkly sequins, some gems, and also my favorite, some glitter glue. Let's get started. Yay! First step, take your hungry caterpillar face and pick one of the pieces of the body, probably one of the bigger pieces. Now we're going to get this one and this one, and you'll see that there's little holes. That is the perfect size for a split pin. So we're going to thread it through there and attach it just like that. Now I'm going to do that for all of these pieces. Ta-da! There is your finished full caterpillar. But we're not done yet because it's time to decorate. So my hungry caterpillar looks like they're pretty hungry for some flowers, I think. So I'm going to take this super shiny flower and some silver glitter glue. And then what we're going to do is we're going to feed my very hungry caterpillar. Yum, 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 yum. A little flower here. Perfect. But I think he's still hungry, so we're going to do another swirl here. And I'm going to take some of these and sprinkle some sequins all over him. I'm just going to finish off my caterpillar with some sparkly gold glitter and a few more sequins here and here and here. Okay, so now it's time to see your completed caterpillar. This is mine. Now I'm going to name this caterpillar Frederica. And you can name your caterpillar and watch them dance. Oh, I'm a dancing caterpillar. Because caterpillars dance once they've been fed because they've just been very hungry. And you've got yourself a new pet. Woo!